What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Alya if you are new here. So in today's video, as you can probably tell by the title, I am going to be showing you how to do a sexy eye makeup look, aka kind of the standard eyeshadow look I have been doing recently. It's actually super simple and it's kind of like a brown smoky eye-ish type of look. And I feel like it's just a really universal look that looks good on a lot of different skin tones. So I feel like anyone can accomplish this sexy look. Now, of course, before we get into it, if you are new here, I would really appreciate if you would subscribe to my channel. It is completely free, and if you change your mind, you can always unsubscribe later, but I hope you won't. Also, don't forget to hit that little bell icon so you never miss one of my uploads, and without further ado, let's get right on into it. This is weird being so close. So, the first thing that you're going to want to do is just take a really light eyeshadow color. Doesn't really matter which one. I'm using just the lightest shade here from my Naked 3 palette. Also, I'm filming in natural light today. I was too lazy to set up any of my actual lighting equipment, so here we are. Let me know what you think. Next, I'm just going to be taking this sort of warm brown shade right here. It's kind of like a, I don't know, like a chocolatey cocoa color, and I'm kind of feeling it. Again, any brown shade will do. Just choose one that you feel like complements your eyes and your skin tone. I'm just going to take that on this brush here and start blending it out in the outer V and crease. I like to sort of pull it out almost so that at the very end when I'm done, it'll kind of make like a point, and that's going to give you that sexy cat eye effect. And then I'm just going to take a big fluffy brush and really just like blend that right in, make it kind of smudgy. You don't want the lines to be super harsh. And then I'm going to go in with a brown that is a little bit deeper than that, and just take that on the same brush and really just apply that to the outer V. Then I'm going to go back, and with that same lighter brown shade I used at first, I am just going to bring the shadow all underneath my eyes. And then with the darker brown, I am going to just do the outer corners of my eye. So then you'll wind up with something like that, and then I like to go ahead and go in with like a lighter sort of champagne color and just go over the inner corners of my eye and brighten them up a bit. And the color I use does have some shimmer, but if you want to keep it matte, you can obviously just go in with a light matte tone and you'll still get the same effect. Then what I'm going to do is kind of just line the upper lid with a little bit of eyeshadow, and I'm going to use that same darker tone that I was using on the outer V. And I'm only keeping it on the outer half of my eyelid. I'm not bringing it all the way into the corner. For mascara, I actually like to mix two different types, and the first one I go in with is the Essence Instant Volume Boost Mascara. And then I follow that up with the Lash Stiletto by Maybelline. And the reason that I mix these is because this one makes my eyelashes thicker, but this one really brings out the length, and I get asked all the time if I'm wearing false eyelashes. and 9 times out of 10 I'm not. So yeah, definitely recommend. These are both really cheap. I do have to order them off Amazon because unfortunately we don't sell them in the stores here in Ireland, which is really unfortunate. So anyway, I'm gonna do that off camera and I will be right back. That is it for today, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this look. Give me a thumbs up on your way out if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Thank you so much for watching.